In this session, we are discussing about Sainik Entrance Class 6 previous questions. First problem, write 15 meter as a percentage of 1000 kilometer. This problem asked in 2015 year. We know that 1 meter equal to dash kilometer. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000 kilometer. 1 by 1000 kilometer. 15 meter as a percentage of 1000 kilometer. 15 meter. 15 meter. 1 meter equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. 15 meter equal to 15 by 1000. 15 by 1000 kilometer. But here asking 1000 kilometer, not 1 kilometer. So into 1 by 1000. 1 by 1000. Okay, this problem asked in the form of percentage into 100 percentage. 100% means 100 by 100, nothing but it is equal to 1. There is no change the value. Okay, numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros, both are get cancelled. 15 meters equal to 15 bar. Okay, here 3 zeros, here 1 0, total 4 zeros. 1 0 0 0, 4 zeros. 15 by 10,000 kilometer. Okay, percentage of kilometer. See, 15 meter equals to 15 by 10,000, nothing but before 4 digit put point 0.0015 as a percentage. Therefore 15 meters is equal to 0.0015 percentage. Sudha scored 23 marks out of 30 in maths and 29 marks out of 50 in Hindi. In which subject did she perform better and by what percentage? This problem asked in the year of 2015. In mathematics, how many marks got? 23 out of 30. Okay, 23 by 30. Okay, convert into the percentage. So simply multiply by 100 percentage. 100% means 100 by 100, nothing but it is equal to 1. In the numerator 1 0, denominator 1 0, both are get cancelled. Okay, now 3 1 jar 3, 3 3 jar 9. Okay, 3 3 jar 9. Okay, 10 by 3, nothing but 3.33 percentage. Okay, I am taking 3.3 percentage. Okay, now 23 into 30, 23 into 3.3 percentage, that is equal to 3 3 jar 9, 3 2 jar 6. Again 3 3 jar 9, 3 2 jar 6. Okay, 9, 6 plus 9 15, then 6 plus 1 7. Before one digit put point. Okay, 75.9. 75.9 percentage. Okay, next in Hindi. Okay, in Hindi, she got 29 marks out of 50. 29 by 50. Okay, fraction convert into the percentage. So simply multiply by 100 percentage. Okay, numerator 1 0, denominator 1 0, both are get cancelled. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. Then 29 2s are 58 percentage. 58. Okay, percentage. So she did perform in mathematics because of the 75.9 percentage compared to in Hindi 58 percentage. Okay, which is subject? So math subject. Subject, math subject. Okay, and by what percentage? 75.9 percentage. On alloy contains 15% carbon, 25% zinc, and rest is copper. In 60 kg alloy, find the quantity of each metal. This problem asked in 2015. Okay, what is alloy? Alloy means it is a mixture of metals. Mixture of metals. What are the mixture of metals? Mixture of carbon, zinc, and copper. Okay, now each one I am writing. Carbon. Okay, carbon. C, first letter is C. Okay, how much percentage? 15 percentage. 15 percentage of carbon. Out of how much kg? Okay, 60 kgs. Total quantity is 60 kgs. Okay, in carbon, how much the quantity of carbon in alloy? But here given the percentage, you can calculate that the quantity of carbon 15% of 60 kgs. We know that 15 by 100 into 60 kgs. In the numerator 10, denominator 10, both are get cancelled. 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10. Next, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now, 3 3s are 9. So, the quantity of carbon is the 9 kgs. Okay, next, zinc. The quantity of zinc, how much percentage given? 25 percentage. 25 percentage of 60 kgs. 60 kgs is the total quantity of alloy. Total quantity of alloy. 25%, 25 by 100 into 60 kgs. Here numerator 10, denominator 10 get cancelled. 5 5s are 25. 5 2s are 10. 2 1s are 2. 2 3s are 6. Okay, now how much 5 3s are 15. So how much 5 3s are 15 kgs. Okay, the quantity of zinc is the 15 kgs. Next one is the rest is copper. The rest is the copper. The symbol of copper is Cu. Okay, symbol of copper is Cu. Okay, you can write a full name also, nothing worry. Here I wrote zinc. Okay, Z, first letter. Okay, here already first letter C already came. Okay, here I wrote Cu for the symbol of copper. Okay, how much? 15% of copper, 25% of zinc. How much total? 15 plus 25, 40% of carbon and zinc. Rest 100 minus 40 will get the 60. So remain percentage is the 60 percentage. 60 percentage of 60 kgs. Okay, copper Cu equal to 60 percentage. That means 60 by 100 into 60. 60 kgs. See, in the numerator 2 zeros, in the denominator 2 zeros, both are get cancelled. Okay, now how much 6 6 are 36. The quantity of copper is 36 kgs. If for you addition of this the individual, the quantity of each metal will get the 60 kgs total quantity. The quantity of carbon is the 9 kgs. Okay, the quantity of zinc is the 15 kgs. The quantity of copper is 36 kgs. It is equal to how much? 9 plus 15. 9 plus 15 is 24. 24 plus 36, 60 kgs. Okay. Total quantity of Allah is 60 kgs. Okay. Individually, the quantity of carbon is 9 kgs. The quantity of zinc is 15 kgs. The quantity of copper is 36 kgs. 0.01 equal 1 by question mark. This problem asked in the year of 2015. 0.01 equal 1 by, in the instead of question mark let x, it is the unknown value. Okay, cancel the decimal point in the denominator 1. After the decimal, 2 digits are there. So in the denominator I am writing 2 zeros. So 1 by 100 equal to 1 by x. So the value of x is 100. Value of x equals to 100. Out of 40 students of a class, 60% passed in first division, 30% passed in second division, and remaining in third division. Find out the number of students in each category. This problem asked in the year of 2015. Total number of students in a class, 40 students. How much percent of passed in first division? First division. Okay, the percentage 60 percentage. 60 percentage out of 40 students. The total number of students in a class 40. First division 60 percentage. 60 by 100 into 40 students. Okay, in the numerator 10, denominator 10, numerator 10, denominator 10. 6 4 jar 24 students. Okay, the number of students passed in the first division 24. Next, second division. How much percentage of 30 percentage? 30 percentage passed in the second division. 30 percentage of 40 students. Second division, that is 30% means 30 by 100 into 40. In the numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros, both are get cancelled. Now 3 4 are 12. Okay, number of students passed in the second division, 12 students. Next, remaining in third division, 60 percentage passed in the first division, 30 percentage passed in the second division. Total in the first and second, 90 percentage. 90 percentage. Okay, remaining means 100 minus 90, that is equal to 10 percentage. 10 percentage passed in the third division. Okay, third division. Okay, third division, how much percentage? 10 percentage. 10 percentage of 40 students. 10% means 10 by 100 into 40. Numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros, both are get cancelled. 1 4 jar 4 students. Okay, the number of students passed in the third division 4. Okay, the first division 24 children, in the second division 12 students, in the third division 4 students. 24 plus 12 36, 36 plus 4 40. The total number of students 40 students. Here what it asks, find out the number of students in each category. In the first division 24 students, in the second division 12 students. In the third division, 4 students. 2 is equal dash percentage. This problem asked in the year of 2018. 2 is equal, the blank I'm writing letter X, okay, percentage as it is I'm writing. 2 is equal to X percent, nothing but X by 100. Okay, 2 by 1 means 2 only, there is no change the value. Next, cross multiplication. X is equal to 2 into 100. Therefore, X is equal to 200. So option A is the correct answer. You can directly identify the generally 100%. 100% means 100 by 100, that is equal to 1. Okay, 200%. 200% is nothing but 2 only. 200 by 100. Okay, in the numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros, both are get cancelled to get to 2 only. Okay, 300%. 300% nothing but 3 only. Okay, 400% is equal to 4 only. Up to etc. 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 Okay, you can easily remember. 2 is nothing but 200. 200 percentage. 3 is equal to 300%. 10 is equal to 1000 percentage. What percent of 10 kilometer is 10 meter? This problem asked in the year of 2018. What percent? So let x percent of 10 kilometer is 10 meter. X percent nothing but x by 100 into 10 kilometer. Okay, kilometer converted to meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters is equal to 10 meters. Okay, denominator 2 zeros, numerator 2 zeros. Right hand side 1 0, left hand side 1 0, both are get cancelled. Then x into 10 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 by 10. Okay, that is equal to 0.1. Okay, therefore x percent is equal to 0.1%. So option A is the correct answer. Convert 3.75 of 5% plus 7.25 of 10% into decimals. This problem asked in the year of 2018. 0.37 of nothing but into 5% plus 7.25 of nothing but into 10%. Individually I multiply 3.75 into 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 7s are 35. 35 plus 2, 37. 5 3s are 15 plus 3, 18. Before 2 digit, okay, the decimal point, okay, 18.75 by 100. 100 is nothing but, okay, before 2 digit, okay, put point. So 0.1875 plus 7.25 into 10 by 100. 10 by 100 nothing but 1 by 10. 7.25 into 1 by 10 nothing but the decimal point moves left side, then 0.725. Here after point 4 digits are there. Here after point 3 digits. So put 0. Okay, 0.7250 nothing but 0.725 only. There is no change the value. Now add these two values. 5 plus 0, 5, 7 plus 5, 12, 1 carry to 8, 1 plus 8, 9, 9 plus 2, 11, 1 carry to 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 7, 9, okay, after that point, okay, 0.9125, 0.9125, so option C is the correct answer. A school of 1,000 students, 330 come by bus, 400 come walking, and the remaining are dropped by parents. What is the percentage of students that do not ride the bus to school? Okay. Total number of students in a school, total 1,000 students. Total 1,000 students. Okay, how many of students come by bus? 330. Okay, 330 come by bus. See, the number of students that do not ride the bus. Do not ride the bus. Okay, 1,000 minus 330 is equal to 670. 670 students do not ride. Do not ride the, okay, do not ride the bus. Do not ride the bus to school. Okay, the percent of students. The percentage of students. Okay, do not ride the bus. Do not ride the bus to school equals to, okay, number of students do not ride the bus 670 by total number of students in a school 1,000. So numerator 10, denominator 10 get cancelled. 67 by 100, that is equal to 67 percentage. 67% of students do not ride the bus to school. So option A is the correct answer. What is the value of A in 475 plus 64% of 950 is equal to 900 plus A? Now find out the value of A. Okay, this problem asked in the year of 2020. 475 plus 64% of 950 is equal to 900 plus A. 475 plus 64%. Okay, 64 by 100 into 950 is equal to 900 plus A. 900 plus A. Okay, numerator 10, denominator 10, both are get cancelled. 475 plus 95 into 64. 95 into 64. 4 5s are 20. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 2, 38. 6 5s are 30. 6 9s are 54 plus 3, 57. Okay, 0. 8 plus 0, 8. 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay, then 5 plus 1 is the 6. Okay, 6080. 6080 by 10. Nothing but okay, 0 get cancel to get the 608 is equal to 900 plus A. 900 plus A. Okay, 475 plus 608. 475 plus 608. 475 plus 608. It is equal to 8 plus 5, 13. 1 plus 7, 8. 4 plus 6, 10. 1083. 1083 is equal to 900 plus A. Okay. A is equal to 1083. Okay. Minus 900. Minus 900. Okay, A is equal to 1083 minus 900. Okay, that is equal to 183. Therefore, the value of A is 183. So, option A is the correct answer. If 2 by 3 of 70% of 600 when subtracted from a number is 320, what is the number? This problem asked in the year of 2020. Okay, subtracted from a number. Let a number x. Let a number is x. X minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 of, that means into 70% of 600. 70% of 600. Okay, x minus 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into 70% means 70 by 100 into 600. The numerator 2 zeros, denominator 2 zeros, both are get cancelled. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. X minus 7 2 are 14, 14 2 are 28. X minus 280. Okay, that is equal to 320. Is equal to 320. X minus 280 is equal to 320. Then x equal to 320 plus 280. 320 plus 280, it is equal to 600. Okay, therefore x equal to 600. Option B is the correct answer. In the first test of mathematics, a student gets 18 marks out of 25. In the second test of same weightage, he got 22 marks. What percentage of marks did he get more in the second test? Okay, first test. Okay, first test in mathematics, he got 18 marks out of 25. 18 by 25. Convert into the percentage. Simply multiply by 100%. 100% nothing but 100 by 100 is equal to 1. Okay, 25 ones are 25. 25 fours are 100. Okay, in the first test, he got the percentage 18 fours are 72. Okay, he got the first test of mathematics 72 percentage. Okay, second test. Okay, second test in the mathematics, he got 22 marks out of the same weightage, 25 marks. Okay, 22 by 25 into 100 percentage. Okay, simply 25 ones are 25, 25 fours are 100. See the second test of mathematics, 22 into 4, that is equal to 88 percentage. Okay, here what asking, what percentage of marks did he get more in the second test of mathematics? The second test of mathematics 88 percentage. So 88 minus 72 is equal to 16 percentage. Okay, how much more? 16% more in the second test of mathematics. 16%. So option C is the correct answer. 10% of 3.75 plus 15% of 7.25 convert into decimal. This problem asked in the year of 2020. 10% of 3.75, nothing but 10 by 100. 10 by 100 nothing but 1 by 10. 1 by 10 into 3.75. So the decimal point moves to left side, that is equal to 0.375 plus 15% of 7.25. 15 by 100. Okay, 7.25 into 15. 15 5s are 75. 15 2s are 30 plus 7. 37. 15 7s are 105 plus 3. 108. Before two digits decimal point. Okay, by 100, nothing but the decimal point moves to left side, that is 1.0875. 1.0875 plus 0.3750. Okay, what? 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 7, 12. 1 carry to 7. 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 8, 16. 1 carry to 3. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 0, 4 only. Okay, decimal point. 0 plus 1, 1. So 1.4625. 1.4625. So option A is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Please share my videos.